Has this ever happened to you? That you reset your Android phone and suddenly the FRP lock appears? And the worst part is that you don't remember your Google account. The first idea will be, well, I will just download an app from the Play Store to unlock it. But that's where the real problem starts. But today I'm gonna show you a safe and practical tool to fix this. The truth is that there are no real apps on Google Play Store that can unlock a phone with FRP lock. Many websites promote so-called FRP Unlocker app, but most of them are all APK files, not valid or even full of malware and viruses. That can damage your phone even more, so stay away from those fake solutions. The only official way to solve FRP problems is Google Account Recovery. From another computer or a compatible phone, go to accounts.google.com and click Forgot Password. Then you can recover your account with an email link or a SMS code. This one is safe, but sometimes slow and complicated. And here comes iMobie DroidKit. This professional tool is made to unlock FRP quickly and easily. The main advantage that it has is that it's very easy to use even for beginners, works with Android 6 up to Android 16, and official support is available if you need help. With DroidKit, the process is simple. Download and install DroidKit on your computer. Connect your Android device with a USB cable. Choose FRP Bypass mode inside DroidKit. Follow the on-screen steps the program guides you clearly. In a few minutes, the Google account lock is removed and your phone is ready to use again. No risky APKs, no complicated tricks, just a safe and guide solution. Download DroidKit today and say goodbye to FRP lock. Your Android is back in your hands.